Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if USB device not recognized by your Windows PC. Here are the fixes, and the first one is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Update your USB driver. This is the first and initial workaround you must apply. Here go to universal serial bus controllers driver. Expand it. Here look for your USB drive. If don't found, then update all these drivers. Simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. So update all your USB drivers through device manager. Same process, expand all these USB drivers and update one by one. Basically USB root hub driver, right click on it, choose update driver, search automatically for drivers, and thereafter check whether your USB drive recognized by your Windows PC or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Same process, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Reinstall your USB drive. Same, expand universal serial bus controllers, right click on your USB root hub driver or your USB driver and choose uninstall device. A pop-up window will appear. Again choose uninstall. Thereafter close the windows, restart your system, and once your system restart, your uninstalled USB driver automatically be installed. Right click on device manager, right click on a start button, choose device manager. Here go to universal bus controller drives and select it. Don't expand, select it, right click on it and choose a scan for hardware changes, and Windows will automatically reinstall your USB root hub driver or USB driver, and check whether your USB drive not recognized by Windows 11 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose disk management. Change your drive later or path through disk management. Here go to your USB drive in your PC, either H, G, any, right click on it and choose change drive later. Here your drive later, here click on change. Here assign the following drive later. Under drop down menu you will find drive later, change as per other than the current device later and choose OK. If you choose OK, a pop-up window will appear. Click on yes again. Some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Choose yes. And check whether your USB drive recognized or not. If not, go to some power settings. Open control panel in your system. Here go to power options. Here go to your power plan and click on change plan settings. Here click on change advanced power settings. Here expand USB settings. Here you will find USB selective suspend settings. Expand it and disable on both the feature on battery as well as plugged in. Disable USB selective suspend settings and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The one more setting you will have to done in control panel. Go back on the same control panel page, and here from the left side click on choose what the power button do. Click on it. Here click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on this link and disable fast startup. You will find turn on fast startup. Uncheck this feature and click on save changes. After that, restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system, and your issue regarding USB drive or device not recognized by Windows 11 or 10 PC definitely be resolved. That's all.